Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So today in this lecture we will discuss about trigonometric functions. Okay. So there are six trigonometric functions which we will discuss in this lecture. Okay. First one is sin x, sine function. Okay. Second is cosine. Third is tangent. So now onwards I will write the function as this. Fourth one is cotangent function. Fifth one is secant, and the last is cosecant. Okay students, so we will discuss all these functions one by one and we will see the graph of each. Okay, so now I am starting here with sine function. Okay students, as you might have studied in your previous classes that in a right angle triangle, that if angle is theta and this is perpendicular, this is base and this is hypotenuse, then sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So similarly cos theta base by hypotenuse. So and tan theta is perpendicular by base. This is sine theta by cos theta. I hope students this you might have studied in your earlier classes. Okay. So now we will discuss. First, let me draw the graph of sine function. So student, this is x axis and this is y and this is the graph of y equal sine x. Okay, this is 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, and the value at the function is 1 is pi by 2, and at minus 1 it is 3 pi by 2. Now it is 5 pi by 2. Similarly it is minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, and minus 5 pi by 2. So student, this graph is look like a wave. Okay, so the domain and the range of this function, domain of sin x is means the value of x this function can take is the domain of this function, which is R, means real numbers. Okay, so it can take x can take any real values. Okay, and the range of sin x is minus 1 to 1, means the function can only go from in y-axis, it can only go from minus 1 to 1. So it will oscillate between these two, and this is a closed bracket student. Okay, so it means that the values minus 1 and 1 both are inclusive. Okay students, so I hope now you all are pretty well aware of this graph. Okay, so now let's go to another graph. Student, now we are discussing about y equal cos x. So x is here, y is here. Okay. So the graph of y equal cos x looks like this. Okay. So this is the graph of y equal cos x. Student, my drawing is not that good. That's why these lines are sometimes okay. So this is 0. This is pi by 2. This is pi. This is 3 pi by 2. This is 2 pi. This is 5 pi by 2. This is 3 pi. 7 pi by 2. 4 pi. Okay. So similarly in this way, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, this is minus 2 pi. So similarly these values will cross. Okay. So domain of this function is similar to domain of sin x. So domain of cos x is also all the real numbers because x can take any real value. Okay. And the range of cos x is also equals to range of sin x, which is minus 1 to 1 closed interval. Okay, students, I hope that you all are aware of what is a domain and range. Okay, still I am telling you that the value of x the function can take is the domain of this function, and the value of y equal cos x means after putting the value of x, what the function giving you the value are the ranges of the function. Okay, so these are the domain and the range of this function. So now we are moving forward to y equal tan x. Okay, students. So y equal tan x will looks like this. Okay, so at 0 it is 0, at pi by 2 it is not defined. Okay, so this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, this is x-axis, and this is y. So this function is y equal tan x. Okay, students, so from here we can directly say that domain of tan x will be all the real numbers minus these values at which it is function is not defined. So the function is not defined, students, at pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, okay, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2. So can I write 2n plus 1 pi by 2? Okay, so this is the domain of these functions. Okay, now coming out to be range. Range is minus infinite to infinite in open bracket. Okay, students, so the range is r minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2, because at, let's say, when n is belongs to integer. Okay, so let's say when n will be 0, so the r minus pi by 2 it will take. So r minus pi by 2 means excluding this value. So these are the domain of this function. Okay, now the range is minus infinite to infinite. So students, in this video we have discussed about three functions: sin x, cos x and tan x. In the next lecture we will discuss three more trigonometric functions, which are cotangent x, secant x and cosecant x. Okay, so stay tuned with me for the next lecture where we will discuss some more trigonometric functions. Okay students, and if you have still any doubt or any question based on this, then please do comment in the comment section. I will be happy to help you guys there. Thank you. Happy learning.